Hi, welcome back. I'm Grandma Ray. You know Grandma Ray don't play, and I'm Rachel. So today we're gonna cook fried apples in the air fryer oven. Fried apples in the air fryer oven. Oh, you're gonna love this one. This is my first time, so I don't really know how it's gonna turn out. But you know me, I'll try anything. Okay, so let's give it a shot. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna adjust the camera so that you can see what I'm doing, and we're gonna get started. Okay. Thanks for hanging around. Okay, so I'm back. So the first thing I did is I added some water into my drip tray. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little more so you can see. All right, so I have water in there. It's really covering the whole bottom. And the reason why I put water in there, because you know I'm gonna have brown sugar going, dripping down, and I'm sure that that will stick and caramelize maybe. So I wanted to make sure that I had something there so that I can wash the drip tray a little easier. All right, so I'm going to show you how to cut the apple, the easy route. Okay, you see this? You can use this. This takes care of cutting the apple and cutting the core out. I got this at the Dollar Tree for $1. How about that? Okay, so you're going to put it on, right? Have the stem in the middle, okay, right through here. And you're going to put it on with the stem there, and you're going to use pressure, push down, 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 all the way down until it comes out like this. Okay? All right. So then as you do it, you're going to put it in lemon juice, because if you want to keep anything from turning brown, you use lemon juice. All right, so we got that, and now let's get started with making the fried apples. So you're going to pull this off minus the core. If a seed drops in there, just take it out. And you want to use the same size apples if possible, because then they are going to cook evenly. Okay, so I'm taking the apples out the lemon juice. All right, I can get rid of that. Okay, so this is light brown sugar and cinnamon. Okay, all right. So I mixed it up already right here. So we're going to put that on. Save half in case you need to put a little more on the top. Mix it up. Oh, that's looking good. So it is going to have a nice flavor to it. Okay, we're going to put the rest. And that was about, I would say, anywhere from it's about 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. And the cinnamon, you just sprinkle that in. That's around maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons, somewhere around there, however you want to put it in. All right, so now wiping my hand. I already wipe my tray down, but I'm going to wipe it down again so that you can see, because I think that's important, because this cleanup, especially with the sugar, is going to be really sticky on the wrap. And I left the skin on because that's good nutrition. Okay. So I have the first tray done. Okay, all right. So I'm gonna put it in. I'm putting it right on the first rack from the bottom. If I can get it on here. Okay, that's on. All right, now this is how I'm spraying my rack. I stopped using the cooking spray because that got too expensive. I think I told you that before. So I'm taking a paper towel. This is olive oil in the spray bottle. Spray bottle I got at the Dollar Tree for $1. So I'm spraying up the paper towel. And then you're going to take and just wipe it over the rack like that. So as you can see, obviously it's not going to be saturated because it's not a lot, and the holes in it won't allow the oil to saturate. Okay, so now let's put the rest of them on. I've never cooked fried apples in the NuWave air fryer oven before, so I'm gonna guess at the time. Okay, let me get this other rack in. And I can't see, so I need a light. Alright, I just turned the light on because I couldn't see. Okay, so now they're in. I'm going to shut the door. I'm going to push dessert in because I think that's about, well, I want this at let's try 370. And let's see what the temperature, okay, 15 minutes. Okay, let's check that. I'm sorry, 30 minutes. Let's check that in 15 minutes. See what's going on. Okay? Alright, so we set the temperature on the left side at 370. We set the time for 15 minutes so that we can see what's happening, and probably it's going to cook more than 15 minutes, but like I said, I don't know because I never cooked fried apples before, so we're going to find out. Okay, so we're back, and we have 1 minute left on the fried apples. I can't wait to see how this comes out because, you know, we got to try new stuff, right? This is what we get this machine for. So I want to see, because when you cook it on the stove, you got to cook it in butter and all of that. This is no butter. It's really steaming. So now today I learned how to steam in the power air fryer oven. Oh, wow. So we're going to wait until it's saying off. We're going to wait until that stops. And oh, okay, it stopped. Let's take a peek. Remember, we cooked it for 15 minutes. It might be done. Oh, that looks done to me. Let me see. I'm going to take a fork and see how tender that is. Okay, let's look. Oh, very tender. That's done. You see that? All done. Fried apples. So let's plate it up and take a look. Now you see right there, it's stuck to the rack. That's why I oil the rack, because it's an easier cleanup if it sticks like that. Yeah. And of course it would stick because it has the brown sugar on it, right? Okay, so that's the rack. This is why I oil it up. If I didn't do that, I would be scrubbing for a long time to get that off. Okay? Alright. Let's get the other one out. Take a peek. Wow. Fried apples. Oh, cinnamon fried apples. Oh my goodness. You know, apples is good with fiber, which helps your bowels, right? Okay. I got one more to get off. Okay. Okay. Let's look at that. Fried apples. How about that? Okay. All right, so I'm gonna show you one more thing. You know, I'm on the diet, like I said. So this is just cucumbers and tomatoes that I cut up. And I'm going to add some balsamic vinaigrette on it instead of regular salad dressing. So I'm just sprinkling a little pepper, a little salt, sea salt, and now the vinaigrette. I'm going to shake that up good. I'm going to get another utensil to mix that up. I got 2 spoons. Okay, so let's put the vinaigrette on it. Okay. Balsamic vinaigrette. Better than salad dressing. You don't have to worry about all the calories. Okay, I paid $1.99 for it at the Christmas tree shop. So we're going to mix that up. Okay, now I have a nice diet meal for my new diet. How about that? So let me bring out and plate up